Bekezela, what questions do you have for me today?
Well, I would like help meeting my October goal. What can I do to sell those copies?
Okay, so your books. You have books on hand. Do you have books that you can go to the library and sell, to the bookstore and sell?
Yes, I have books on hand, but I was thinking online is where I have the most trouble.
Okay, so especially this time of year with it being the holiday season, you really want to push to give the children books during the holiday season, birthdays, birthday parties, gifts for the teachers, gifts for the library. This is the time of the year I know in my area, they will send out a flyer that says, here is what the teachers want for the classroom. And the librarian will say books that they need for their libraries. So this is what I would do. If I had extra book copies and they were children's books, I would call the PTO or PTA presidents in your area about fundraising to see if you could get your books in on some fundraising. Also about gifts for the teachers, gifts for the library, because parents will purchase these books for the classroom, for the library. Also, when you're doing your social media posts, you want to make sure you post in there that these make wonderful gifts. And you want to put a post in there about giving for birthdays or giving for the holidays, whatever it may be, gifts for the teachers. For your books on hand, I would look at your coffee shops and set up a table, your restaurants, your church. A lot of the churches this time of year is having their craft festivals, their fall festivals, things like that. This time of year, you can set up a table at and sell your books. And then you might be able to sell a copy of the Wishing Well and have on hand your QR code on your phone so that they can go straight to Amazon and get other books from you as well through Amazon.